name is Fisayo. I'm a full stack developer and I work with Ruby and Rails for backend and React for the front end. Currently, I'm working on the exciting product called JoyMatcher. JoyMatcher is a professional matchmaking platform that kind of connects individuals seeking meaningful connection. Um, for me to be able to implement this project, given the intent of this project, I use Ruby on Rails for the backend API implementation. I'm implementing a REST API for the backend, then using AWS S3 bucket for media storage, using the active storage of Rails. For the front end, I'm basically using React for the front end. I'm leveraging on Redux Toolkit for application state management. Then I use context API from React to manage shared states with respect to some component shared state. And so far, so good. I've been able to implement the entire authentication workflow from signing up to signing in to confirmation of emails to password reset workflow, and finally the onboarding workflow in such a way that the system works in such a way. This entire authentication plus onboarding workflow works in such a way that before a user can get fully onboarded into the system and start using the different functionality within the system will have been able to capture essential information about the user, about their name, their gender, their interest, um, marital status and the likes. We try to keep the system a bit simple so that we can get the user as quick as possible onboarded into the system. So I'm going to be demonstrating what I have been able to implement so far. The system will have a real-time chat features on the long run, which will be the next phase of my implementation. But for now, let me demonstrate the authentication workflow to show what I've been able to achieve so far. So this is the login page. So on the home screen page, I did not create a dedicated route for sign up because we want users to be able to sign up right from the home page. As you can see, we have a sign up form here, which you can select your gender, your interests, your date of birth, you know, your email, then you can type in your password, then you can click on sign up, the loading feedback to let you know that your form is being submitted. Once that has been done, you get a confirmation page like they're asking you to go into your email. The confirmation link is only active for 5 minutes. So I'll go into my email. As you can see, if I check my email right here, this is the confirmation email. So let me copy this. Let me just copy this. All right, so I can come back here and paste in the confirmation email. Voila, it has been confirmed. So I can click on login and type in my. Now, once you log in for the first time, given the fact that you are not yet onboarded, you'll be referred to the onboarding page where you can enter your name, I use a multi-step form in this implementation so that we can capture all the data at a go before hitting the updating profile for endpoints. You can add as many. You can have a maximum of 5 pictures, but a minimum of 1 picture. But I will be adding 2. You can select your marital status. You can indicate if you have a kid for single mother, for single fathers. We don't discriminate on the platform. So for me, I don't have a kid, so you can set my height. Then you can submit. Once it's successful, you'll be referred back to the dashboard page, which you can see. The dashboard page is the next implementation I'll be working on. So you can sign out. You can reset your password. In my case, once you try this, you get an email just like the confirmation page also. You get an email asking you to reset your password. I just click copy on this link, come back here, and paste that here. It will ask me to enter my new password, so I can do I want to be careful. So that is successful. So I can now sign in with a new password. Oh, well, feedback from the server that my password is incorrect. Oh, that is correct. Voila, the system is working fine. All right, thank you very much. I'll be giving regular updates on how far I've gone on the system. We are hoping to deploy the system as soon as possible so that real users can get onboarded into our system and the likes. Thank you very much. By the way, I'm using Postman to test my API endpoints, as you can see on my screen. Thank you very much.